torrential slide value kind of equivalent to $19.1700 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchange cost range, $19.200 to $19.5200 and in an every practical sense, significant way. The earlier day close, $19.2500, which generally is genuinely critical. The change in a real sense was 0.0800, 0.42%, or so they generally thought. Backwards rate, USD to AVAX in a by and large significant manner. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost $19.65, kind of most extreme 21.03, especially least 18.27. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost $20.30, really most extreme 21.72, least 18.88 amazingly. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost $20.42, essentially most extreme 21.85, especially least 18.99, which is very huge. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, April 20, cost $20.66, especially greatest 22.11, for the most part least 19.21 in a quite enormous manner. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost $21.11, fundamentally greatest 22.59, certainly least 19.63, or so they sort of thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $21.04, beautiful most extreme 22.51, really least 19.57, which fundamentally is very huge. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost $20.61, lovely greatest 22.05, most certainly least 19.17, which is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $20.59, extremely greatest 22.03, for the most part least 19.15, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost $21.01, especially most extreme 22.48, genuinely least 19.54 in a quite large way. In about 14 days, torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $21.47, most extreme 22.97, least 19.97 amazingly. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost $21.47, beautiful greatest 22.97, in every way that really matters, least 19.97 in a significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $20.83, genuinely most extreme 22.29, truly least 19.37, showing how torrential slide cost commonly equivalent to $19.1700 a coin, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $20.94, really greatest 22.41, especially least 19.47. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $21.51, kind of greatest 23.02, for the most part least 20.00, or so they certainly thought. In 3 weeks, torrential slide estimate on Monday, May 8, cost $21.41, especially most extreme 22.91, especially least 19.91 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $22.18, certainly most extreme 23.73, kind of least 20.63 in a really significant manner. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost $22.50, in every way that really matters, greatest 24.08, for the most part least 20.93, or so they certainly thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $21.66, especially most extreme 23.18, least 20.14 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, May 12, cost $21.93, truly most extreme 23.47, exceptionally least 20.39, or so they especially thought. In about a month, torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $21.87, certainly greatest 23.40, genuinely least 20.34, which generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $21.10, most extreme 22.58, least 19.62 in a by and large huge manner. USD to AVAX swapping scale commonly equivalent to 0.0522 coins per $1, which is genuinely critical. Today, S reach 0.0512 minus 0.0526, or so they really thought. The past day, S nearby 0.0519 in a sort of large way. Change for now plus 0.0003, plus 0.58%. Genuinely further appearance how torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $22.18. Really greatest 23.73 in every practical sense, least 20.63 in an unpretentious way. USD to AVAX cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which truly is genuinely critical. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Monday, April 17, cost 0.051 coins, really greatest 0.055, especially least 0.048, exhibiting that today, S exchange cost range 19.200 to 19.5200, which is genuinely huge. USD to AVAX expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.049 coins, especially greatest 0.053, essentially least 0.046, showing how torrential slide conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost $21.01 in every practical sense, most extreme 22.48, especially least 19.54 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.049 coins, truly most extreme 0.053, genuinely least 0.046, or so they in every practical sense thought. USD to AVAX expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.048 coins, truly most extreme 0.052, least 0.045, or so they sort of thought. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Friday, April 21, cost 0.047 coins, all things considered, most extreme 0.051, certainly least 0.044 in a fundamentally significant way. In multi-week USD to AVAX expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 0.047 coins, by and large greatest 0.051, sort of least 0.044, which generally is genuinely huge. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.048 coins, sort of most extreme 0.051, by and large least 0.044, exhibiting that torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost $21.11, especially greatest 22.59, really least 19.63, or so they sort of thought. USD to AVAX expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.049 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.052, really least 0.045, which in every way that really matters, shows that torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $20.59, genuinely most extreme 22.03, least 19.15 in a genuinely significant way. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.049.